Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'll be doing a Staud unboxing. So these are the items that I have purchased during the online sample sale. So what that means, it's like they've actually put a lot of stuff online, and some of the items were actually like heavily discounted, especially if you spend $250, you get 30% off on that. And if you spend 350 US dollars, you'll get 30% off on that on top of a discounted price. So I know that I've been buying Staud for years now, and I must say that the quality is amazing. And especially some of their apparel are so beautifully crafted. The leather wow, some of the leather, I'd say they are exceptional. The craftsmanship for those are absolutely amazing. So whenever they have stuff like this one that they have right now, the online sample sale, I always look for something like, that I could add in my collection. That's because I just love the quality. But well, having said that, I know that the brand, sometimes it could be a little bit pricey though. It is, I must say. But that's the reason why I waited for the sample sale, so that at least I'll be able to enjoy all the items. And for years of shopping, I don't even remember if I have paid the regular price on them. Majority of the items that I got from Staud, they are all discounted. So anyway, here are some of the items that I have gotten during the sample sale. And let me start with this item right here. Let me start with this one right here. Wow, the color is stunningly beautiful. Wow. So they actually call this a Kiki bag right here. It is a Kiki bag, and in this beautiful coastal color. It says right here the suggested retail price is $325 US dollars, and I believe I got this in less than $100. And this is the detail about the purse. It is more of like this. I'd say the bag is structured right here on this side, but the front of it is a little bit more like on the slouchy side. And then the branding right there, the stamp, Staud. And then the side corner of it, this one is actually, the leather is a smooth leather. Wow. And then this one is more likely a calfskin leather. So this one is more structured, and this one is the softer part of the purse itself. So I really, really love the beautiful color of it. And the interior of the bag is actually lined with this, I'm not sure if this is suede or microfiber though, but it is similar to a microfiber from Louis Vuitton. Right here. Wow. This is like a perfect purse, a perfect bag for a night out. I think so. And you can close it just like that, because this one has a magnetic closure in it. Right here. And this shoulder strap is made up of leather as well. Right here. It looks so unique though, that this bag has almost like no hardware at all. They're all leather. So the reason why I have purchased this, that's because I totally fell in love with their calfskin leather. It is so durable. I have several purses that's made up of the calfskin leather, and they're gorgeous. It looks very, very luxurious. It feels luxurious as well. So this is the first item. Wow, look at the contrasting stitching. Oh my goodness. So beautiful. So the next item that I've got, okay, let me just put this one aside. It is a bean bag. I mean, I think I have more than a couple of, I'm not even sure how many bean bags that I have from Staud, but I know I have several from them. It is one of my most favorite, and it is also durable as well. And one thing that I love about this purse is that it's so versatile. You could just remove the strap. You could put accessories or change the strap, wear the chain strap, or however you want it though. The next item, this is actually a collaboration. So I think this is a collaboration from New Balance, if I am not mistaken. Let me see. Here, NB right here. Yeah, and this item, let me show you. And it is, okay, there were several items here. So this is a trio right here. So I believe this is a round coin purse right here. And then we also have another one as well. Yeah, this is the mini square ones. Wow, I love the color. The only reason why I purchased this, it's because of, I really like the multicolor on this purse right here. So you might be wondering, it's looking like, let me show you. It looks like it has unusual form in it. So this one, they actually called this as a water bottle holder. So this was designed to put a water bottle in here, and this one is crafted with some nylon, and then this is some sort of like rubber or something right here with the branding, and then a little bit of leather on the side, some silver hardware, and this one came in with a strap. And I was thinking of using this as a purse, not necessarily with water, because I don't really carry water in my purse, really, like seriously. I just really don't want to put my stuff like at risk of getting wet or something like that. So, but this one is actually made right here. The interior is made of this nylon material. It is black. I really love the fact that this one is black. Love the contrasting stitching right here. It's absolutely cute, and you can use it as a crossbody bag. And if you want to, so this one, like I've mentioned, you can attach this to the purse itself. I love this beautiful colors right here. You can attach it on this side, and you could also attach the other one on the other side as well, just like that. But I don't think I'm going to, to put this one over here though. I don't think so. So I might use one, but I think with a strap, you could actually, put one of these, like hung this one in a strap though. But I really love the combination of colors, and I believe I got this for $50. It's really cute. Okay, yeah, this is perfect for summer right here. And I'd say this one's more like a carefree bag though because of the material. Okay, moving on to the next item. This one is my favorite. This is actually it is a dress. And I have several of these, and it turns out to become one of my favorite. And it's actually called a shoko sweater. More of like that, like a dress, a very, very long dress. So this is the color that I chose right here. I love the different variations of color. The color blocking right there is absolutely beautiful. And I know this is very pricey though for a dress. It's $295. And I believe with all the discounts that I have with the promotion, I think I paid $100 for this. Is it worth it? Yes, it's worth it because the quality is amazing. It's very flattering on your body. I really love it's just like the color. It's absolutely beautiful. So this is the color that I've picked. I'm going to insert the photo right here of this dress, how it looks. But look at the color. This one came in with a lot of variations of color, but for some reason the colors that I've picked are absolutely beautiful. So anyway, these are the items that I have purchased over the online sample sale, and I will definitely gonna recommend the Staud products. And like I've mentioned, I have never paid a regular price from them. I always waited for the sale, and it's totally worth it. Especially the ready-to-wear stuff that they have, the leather, the craftsmanship. The price is pretty reasonable though, and yeah, they are absolutely amazing, and I will highly recommend them. So anyway, this is my unboxing for this Staud. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.